These birds can swim and fly like superheroes, but don't let their cute little faces fool you. What makes them so powerful in the air and underwater? I'll tell you in a second, but first, if you think puffins are adorable, like and subscribe. If you don't, that means you hate awesome birds. Comment a heart if you love animals. So what's the deal with these puffins anyway? These tiny beasts can fly up to 55 miles per hour while flapping their wings 400 times a minute. And underwater, they use those same wings to fly through the sea like a rocket. Yeah, nature made a bird submarine hybrid.